So I've just had a fun day today here at CMI. We've learnt lots about the Fohhn organisation and the products that it manufactures. I must say that I've had my eyes seriously opened to Fohhn. I had no idea that they were so professional and extensive throughout Europe. Serious number of major projects that they've handled. So we've seen their software, which was very impressive as a tool to design systems using their products. It has a number of features that our standard industry software lacks, and so there was a bit of software lust going on in my mind. Wish we could have this.
I was impressed. How could you not be impressed with a system that has the capabilities to go from a small venue to a huge performance arena? Really enjoyed the time. I learned a lot. I wish more people could experience the system so that my job's easier. It's something, once you experience it, you know, and you can understand what it offers to our customers.
We used the Fohhn DLI 130 and DLI 230 in 2 rooms at the old Parliament House in Canberra. We found that we needed a very hidden solution and in a very challenging environment. So we found that the shortest column in the market that gave us the ability to do beam steering and provide a wide frequency range, that the DLI 130 was the only product that was going to work. We tested it on site and found that the intelligibility and musicality was what we were looking for. So that's the product that's installed at the Old Parliament House this day in King's Hall. The client has found it very useful for the typical functions that they do in that space that require background music and speech.
Yeah, it's a great system. It has plenty of throw and plenty of grunt for something of its size. It's pretty impressive actually how easy it manipulates the beam, and it makes it quite easy to control on the fly the directionality of the sound, which is ideal for eliminating the off-axis information that you don't really want, or sound getting off the back of the PA, and even as far as the high frequencies hitting that building down the end of the car park there was pretty impressive once we tilted it down. Yeah, so very useful bunch of tools and a very good sounding array.
Fohhn as a whole seems to be extremely professional in the way it goes about things. From what I understand, it's a very family-run company, and that seems to shine through with their passion for sound and quality. And their products certainly very interesting, with their ability to go loud, be ultra flexible in the way they're steered and manipulated. That appears to be unprecedented in my opinion. I might be wrong in terms of, but the other beam steered products are much more set and forget rather than drag the mouse, and you can change all sorts of things. So in that sense, the product is probably unprecedented. We've had a good listen today, and it seems to work pretty well, and I'd be very keen to do some critical analysis both in software and acoustic measurements to put it through its paces at some stage, were that opportunity to come along. So in summary, if that's all you'd like, it's pretty impressive stuff, pretty impressive company, and I'm really pleased it's in a good home of CMI.